it looks a lot nicer than the old one. I mean, if you take a look at the old one, which is right here, this gives it a more modern refresh to it and is a lot better. So all I got to do when I get to the dealership is get another screw for that, and everything is bolted in with all the bolts. Unfortunately, that screw has disappeared into the endless void of the dash, and there, basically that is it. It's installed, it is working, and it is awesome. So if you like this, please help us out. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers, and there's a lot of people doing this, but we are passionate about what we're doing, and we could really use everybody's help out there. Doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, and later on we might even be giving merch away as a raffle if we get to our 500 subscribers, to help us make our dream come true. And we'll help you make your dreams come true by showing you what you can do on your vehicles, DIY it, and things that you can do yourself for cheap, like this. This wasn't bad. This was just over $400 shipped. We might be getting some money back because it was a used unit, and we'll go from there. So ciao for now.